So I will show you how to do your own DJ Facade. I DJ. I have an event coming up now on December 16th. And I do have all my gear. I have all my speakers, my DJ controller, pretty much everything I need, but I am missing something that I like using. It's called the DJ Facade. It's basically a cover that goes on top of your table. Sometimes it goes in front of it. Some are super fancy. Some are simpler than others. I like to keep it simple. So I will show you how to do your own. Very simple. I got you. I got you. Right now I'm headed to Walmart. I'm gonna get 3 items. Here I am on my way to Walmart. You know what's crazy about Florida? Look at that weather. Look. So I'm gonna go get the 3 items that I need. I need 1, 2, 3, 16 by 20. Okay, so the idea is to make sure we line them up like that. Add some hinges over here. Add hinges over here. Remove this cardboard piece. You then have this little mini plexiglass piece. I'm going to sand that down so that I'm able to put the lights. That's the whole idea right here. Okay, so now I need to find a way to get some hinges for this thing to put over here so that I'm able to open and close. I was going to link all 3 of them by adding hinges here. Then I realized how thin they are, and the point of this is to be able to be portable. So I think I'm going to put Velcro. That way I can always remove them and they'll stay together. Because at the end of the day, there's going to be 1 at the front, 2 on the side. Next, we're going to get some sanding paper. And you see how this is clear? We're looking for some kind of like blurryish, fuzzy look on here. So when the lights hits it from behind, it kind of looks cool. So I'm going to sand this down. And I like to start out in the middle with the motion of circles. This is what we're looking for. So I got the middle one, and this is part of one of the 2 that are going on the side. Originally, I was gonna put hinges to join them together, but because these are so light, I decided to do Velcro instead. I'm not sure if you can see that. So that way, when I'm done, I can just stack them together and put them away. After getting the frames, taking out the plexiglass, sanding it down, this is what we end up with. You can put your DJ controller right behind that, hide all your cables, and it'll keep the people that like to put their drinks on your DJ table away, hopefully. And you can also do this. And that is the end result, folks. Each of those frames, again, they cost about $10. So that's $30. A little bit of Velcro right in between to join them together. Get your lights in the back, and that's it. You got a little light show, and it looks kind of cool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, El Fenomenal. That's how we did it.